How to turn on or turn off eye comfort shield on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on display. Next, we scroll down, and in here, you want to tap on eye comfort shield. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So you can see that when I turn on eye comfort shield, my screen will automatically go to a warmer yellow color. And here, if I switch it off, it will go to a cooler white color. Now, if you tap on the left hand side panel, in here you can also choose adaptive or custom. If you select adaptive, the phone will automatically adjust the screen color based on the time of day. You will see minor adjustments during the day and significantly warmer colors at nighttime. If you select custom, you can always manually adjust the screen color to make it really, really yellow or just slightly yellow. So that's up to you. And you can even set a schedule so it will automatically turn on or off. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.